I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocations of Kenya shillings 53.5 billion for the National Government Constituency Development Fund, as well as 10.9 billion for the Equalization Fund to finance programs in previously marginalized areas. Let me turn to stimulating tourism, growth, sports, culture, and recreation and arts. Mr. Speaker, the government has prioritized expanding the space for creativity, including freedom of expression and protection of intellectual property rights. We will also strengthen mainstreaming of arts and culture infrastructure and support cultural production and creative economy. We are also cognizant of the brand value of Kenyans participating and excelling in international sports arena as of ultimate importance to us. To support tourism, sports, culture, and recreation, I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocation of Kenya shillings 12.5 billion. This includes an allocation of 6.4 billion under the Sports, Arts, Social Development Fund, Kenya shillings 4.1 billion for the Tourism Fund, and Kenya shillings 2 billion for the Tourism Promotion Fund. Let me turn to environmental protection, water, and natural resources. Mr. Speaker, environmental conservation